That's not a fucking plane. Pardon my language. I don't know what that is. I don't think it's a plane though, because I don't see one. You'd hear it too. I'm wondering if that's an asteroid or a meteor.